So take the opportunity to support your mitochondria, and this can have like profound impacts on your health. Now let's look at some supplements. Yep, there are certain supplements which are very specific to mitochondria. One of them is Coenzyme Q10. Coenzyme Q10 actually works by increasing the energy output in the mitochondria itself. When you supplement with Coenzyme Q10, it can reduce things like oxidative stress. Some studies have also shown us that it improves mitochondria's health directly, and if you have any kind of mitochondrial impairments, it helps you fight that. Then is another supplement called PQQ. Now, PQQ works really well with Coenzyme Q10. They work in synergy to boost mitochondria. And I would advise you that if you are going to take PQQ, combine it with a little bit of fasting, a little bit of calorie restriction, a little bit of exercise. And when you combine all of these things together and then you take supplements, you're going to get a 10x ROI or return on investment for what you will be putting in. If you want to put more magic into it, then add some red light therapy, which has been shown to increase mitochondrial efficiency, mitochondrial output, and reduce things like oxidative stress. Then we have, this will seem like similar to last time, cold therapy or cryotherapy. Cryotherapy helps boost mitochondrial output, mitochondrial biogenesis, repairs the DNA, and switches on certain genes pathways that help. The other one that I can think of similar to DNA help is actually hyperbaric oxygen treatment. Hyperbaric oxygen treatment is amazing, and it's been there for a while. This is where you jump in a tube full of oxygen at 100% or a 98%, and your cells are flooded with oxygen. Trust me, your body just goes into this repairing mode all the time. So hyperbaric is a good one. Try going to one of your closest biohacking centers and go at it. It's interesting. Now, there's, when we look at a lot of ancient wisdom, one of the things that I remember is the secret to change is to focus all your energy on not fighting the old but building the new. Socrates said that, and what he meant was, instead of using all of your energy to fighting these old things like habits and all these bad things, just replace them with new ones, and replace them with the ones that will provide your body a better chance, a better healing opportunity, because healing from anything is just a matter of time, and sometimes it's a matter of opportunity. That's it for today's video. If you like the video, leave us a review, tell us what you liked about it, and I'll see you in the next video.